Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll talk about two similar method, select and activate. And other than that, I'll also talk about hide and unhide rows and column, right? So let's move on to the coding part then. I want to select A3 and B3, right? So let's do it. Range A3 B3 dot select. So what it will do, it will select that. So let me take this debug tree so that I can use F8 here. So instead of going from this way, I can use shortcut here through this tree, right? So if I click on F8 here, so you can see A3 and B3 is selected. Similarly, if I want to select uh, A3 and B3 through activate method, right here, how it can be. So I'll uh, select something else right now, and now see, instead of select, I'll use activate. How it works. So it has to select A3 and B3, right? If I step into through effect, so you can see. Okay, so this is the way you can activate anything. How to hide or unhide rows and column and range. So let's talk about that. So let me write code. Like suppose I wanna hide column B. So what I can do, I can put, say for example, I'm putting just B1 dot entire column, because I'm using one range dot hidden equal to true, right? So it will actually hide the entire column, B column. Okay, and if I put it false, so it will unhide that. For hide it is true, unhide it is false. So similarly, unhide and hide, it's not taking anything, it's an action, right? So that is why this is boolean value. Alternatively, if I use, instead of range, if I use uh, column, so I can use columns directly. I can pass B and then entire column, not entire column. I can write hidden, it will work. Hidden equal to 2. If I run this part only, suppose I want to run this part only, so step into, I'll not execute that part but only this part, and then again if I step into, so let's see what happens. So B, so column B is hidden. If I unhide it again, let me unhide it, step into. Okay, if I want to use something similar for rows as well, so how can I achieve this for rows? That's right. So instead of entire column, I can use entire row. So I'll use this one. I'll change this row, right? So let me. So what it will do? It will hide this row. Now you can see that is hidden. If I make it false, so it will unhide that row. So let me run this code. F8, step into, see that row 3 is hidden. If I make it false, it will. So if you think this video is helpful for you, so please give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. I'll bring more such video for you.